Today we'll talk about how to answer general questions in an interview. Interview is an essential part of selection process, and apart from the technical skills, it's always good to be prepared with the general interview questions. These questions are generally asked by the interviewer to know you as a person and how you would fit in the organization as a team player. So, let's discuss few questions and how you should answer these so that you can drive your interview as per your strengths. First is tell me about yourself. This is the most common yet important question. This is the golden chance to ace your interview in the first few minutes by being in your comfort zone and talking about yourself. So, what should you talk about? So, the place you are from, your family background, educational background, your internships, projects, your hobbies, or any awards or certification courses that you have taken up, or your qualities or what you believe in. How to structure your answer. Talk about your life in a chronological fashion. You can start with the present, that is the UG or PG, or the past, that is your school achievements, and go on to talk about your UG or PG. We'll talk about few tips here which you should keep in mind. Try to structure your answer like a story. It should not feel like you are just mentioning the facts about your life. Make it conversational. Talk about the topic which you are most comfortable answering questions for at the end and in detail, because there are high chances that interviewer will ask questions from the topic that you mentioned last and in detail. Stress upon few topics which you would like to discuss during your interview. This would be like leading the interviewer towards the topic you want to talk about and answer questions pertaining to that particular topic. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Before you talk about your strengths and weaknesses, understand the job profile you are applying for. So, while talking about strengths, you should align your strengths which would add value to the job. Talk about the incidences to show your strengths, because no one wants to hear the same words like hardworking, goal-oriented, perseverance, etc. So, for example, if you want to say that you have a zeal to learn new things as your strength, talk about the things which you have learned and why you decided to learn those skills. Now, while talking about the weaknesses, don't try to present your strength as your weaknesses. Talk about genuine weaknesses, but they should not contradict the basic qualities that are required for the job. While talking about the weaknesses, talk about why it is a weakness and how you are trying to improve. So, for example, if you say you have fear of public speaking, try to talk about how you are trying to improve and what steps you are taking to overcome your fear. So, third question, what are your short-term and long-term goals? Align your short-term goals keeping in mind the timeline of 2 to 3 years and long-term goals for the timeline of 10 to 15 years. So, here is one tip. First, think about your long-term goal and try to align your short-term goals accordingly. Your short-term goals should help you to achieve your long-term goals. So, for example, you want to see yourself as a chief technology officer at a company in any particular industry. Your short-term goals should be to gain required technical skills and to keep updating yourself with the latest trends in the industry. Fourth question can be, what are your biggest achievements and failures? While talking about your achievements, talk about your journey and how it has helped you in life. While talking about the failures, talk about why you fail and what were your learnings from your failures. Fifth question can be, why do you want to join our organization? So before you prepare to answer this question, it is advisable to read about the organization. So what exactly should you read? Read about vision and mission of the company, what are the company values and work culture, key highlights about the company, and also read about the industry the company works in. Also have a look at CSR activities of the company and all the initiatives that the company has taken up for the sustainability and green initiatives. So while answering this question, try to align your goals with the company goals. Try to talk about things you believe in and how company values, CSR activities or company initiatives aligns with it. Sixth question can be, how are you different from other candidates and why should we hire you? This is the question where you need to highlight your strengths and how you are going to add value to the job. While describing about their strengths, talk about incidents which shows your mentioned qualities. Talk about the skills which are unique and the ones which are in line with the company's requirements. Seventh question can be, tell me something about yourself which is not mentioned in the CV. This is the question where you need to talk about how you are as a person, your qualities, your strengths, and your hobbies. Don't go on talking about your qualifications because those are already mentioned on your CV. Try to mention few stories from your life to describe your qualities or your strengths or struggles and how you made the best out of your struggles. We hope this article will help you to prepare yourself for general questions and be confident and believe in yourself. We wish you all the best for the interview.